Northern Colorado IMRG. Steamboat Springs and Craig Overnighter. July 30, 2022. In celebration of the Northern Colorado Indian Motorcycle Riders Group 4th chapter anniversary, we did an overnight ride to Steamboat Springs and on to Craig, where we spent the night, and had a celebratory dinner at Corelli's. This 386-mile round trip took us across Poudre Canyon and over Cameron Pass to Walden, where we ate lunch. Afterwards we crossed over Rabbit Ears Pass to Steamboat, where we hung out for a while, and did a little shopping. Then we rode on to Craig, where we ate dinner and spent the night. The next morning we rode to Steamboat for breakfast, and then proceeded on our ride back to Ted's place, where we ended the ride. To begin our journey, we met bright and early at Ted's place in Laporte, collected ride forms, conducted a ride briefing, and quickly headed out to ride, seek, and explore. Right away we were able to begin enjoying the beautiful scenery of the Poudre Canyon as we headed to Cameron Pass, where we would make our first stop. This time of year, you can see lots of rafters traveling down the Poudre River. The 95-foot Baldwin Tunnel was built in 1929. The Glen Echo Resort got its start in 1921, and is a popular summer cabin and campground spot on the Poudre River. The Cameron Pass Rest Area is a great place to stop for a while after a beautiful ride through the Poudre before heading on to Walden. Here you get incredible views of different mountain peaks. After resting for a while, we mounted up and continued onward toward Walden. Walden was established in 1889, and the postmaster, Mark Walden, gave the town his name. The current population is estimated to be around 600. We ate lunch at our usual place when we visit Walden, the River Rock Cafe, located at the Antlers Inn. Our next stop after Walden, about 60 miles away, was Steamboat Springs. It was late afternoon when we arrived, and it was pretty hot outside. One of the cool stores in Steamboat is FM Light & Sons, which opened in 1905, where you can find all things cowboy and western. Hayden is a small sleepy town between Steamboat and Craig. The Ute people used this area for summer hunting before the town started to be settled beginning around 1875. As we ride through town, we make certain not to even go 1 mile over the posted speed limit. After 190 miles from our morning start, we finally arrived in Craig at around 5 o'clock. We checked into our hotel, and relaxed for a couple of hours before heading to dinner. We celebrated our 4th chapter anniversary at Corelli's, and found this place to be perfect for our celebration. This restaurant is a gem in the middle of Craig. The food was very good and the portions were large. The staff was very friendly and fun. This place was outstanding and we thoroughly enjoyed being here. We gathered early in the morning to begin our journey home. The weather forecast called for rain, but we stood a pretty good chance of staying ahead of it. We checked out of the hotel and rode to Steamboat for breakfast. We had breakfast at Freshies at the south end of Steamboat. This place was definitely very popular as it was already packed when we got there. The colorful mountain scene mural painted on the side of the building was pretty cool. While it took a while to get seated, and for our order to be taken and food brought out, it was well worth the wait. Rabbit Ears Pass is very scenic and enjoyable to ride. Instead of climbing to a high point and then quickly descending like most passes, Rabbit Ears Pass climbs to about 10,000 feet and stays there for many miles. We stopped in Walden to fuel up and rest a while before heading back to Ted's place, our ending point. We stayed ahead of the rain the entire trip. However, when we ended the ride at Ted's place, our luck ran out. With the inevitable rainstorm, we put on our rain gear before riding back to our homes. While we officially didn't hit any rain on our no-code trip, it did downpour for our ride home. We had a blast this weekend and made lots of memories. It was so much fun. Great ride, great scenery, great food, great weather, great camaraderie, great friends. Happy 4th anniversary No Co IMRG.